Happy Friday. Happy Easter weekend. I'm really glad that you're with me. We're going to do unboxing. And I know one thing I got, and I'll save that for last. I'm so excited about it. Okay, I'm getting ready for Disneyland. Whether you're going to Disneyland, Disney World, Downtown Disney, or you just have some themed birthday party, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it does not matter your age. You can still have fun. And it's whimsical, it's fun. I found this lady on Etsy. Her Etsy business name is Bonnytop. She makes these gorgeous, unique, floral tiara kind of headbands. She can make whatever you want made to order, or in my case, I needed it quick. So she had some things that were already made, ready to ship. So that just arrived today. Suggested to get these kind of bobby pin, crystal bobby pin type of things. So I got these off Amazon, and I think that they were $6 or $6.50, something like that. So I, of course, will link Bonnytop Etsy business down below. What about these other things I got? I believe that they came from eBay, and they are things related to going to Disneyland as well. I don't know for sure, but I'm gonna open them up with you. So let's go. And it's in here so tight. And if it's a piece of clothing, I hate it when they do this, because if it doesn't rip, you have to use scissors or something like that. But if you do that, you might risk hurting your clothing, putting a little mark in there, or cutting into the fabric. So let's see if I can do this without any assistance. Okay, here we go. Oh, and there's another. What is it? Okay. This is it Tinkerbell vest? Yeah, this is just so cute. Look at this. Here's the back. Believe. It is kind of a just slightly off-white, not a stark white. This is just so cute. Perfect for the chilly evenings in Southern California at this time of year. It's not summer yet. One thing I don't like about ordering off eBay, it's a risk, but the biggest risk for me is I cannot stand it when things come smelling like perfume or smoke. So those are the two things I don't like. This overwhelming perfume scent on something you really love, it's next to impossible to get that out. But that one doesn't have that problem. All right, let's go to the next one. Because purple is in the flowers, the Disney flower tiara, I got this. Look at this. It was such a good price. Of course, these are gently used. So cute. Embroidery. It says Walt Disney World on the back. And that's kind of a lighter purple stitch. This is a dark purple vest. I love it. Okay. Last but not least, we're going to do unboxing of the Bonnytop, whatever you want to call it, headband, floral, head wreath. Oh, and she's so adorable. She has a picture of herself in one of these with her, looks like her little boy. Really cute picture. I have an Etsy shop too. I've had it for a long time, and it is about my sand writing and Mount Rainier photos. When I'm in California, I'm going to be at the beach, and I will do a video. I already have one up here from a few years ago, but I'm just starting to post more videos and so forth. But years ago, I did one with the help of Eliza, and it was how I do the sand writing. I have done thousands of names, dates, celebrations in memory of Gold Star families, child loss. Maybe I'll post some pictures so you can see what I'm talking about. But when I'm there in Southern California and I'm at the beach, I'll be doing a couple videos of how I do this. It's got to come to an end at some point. It's been over 10 years. Malia is my partner in Hawaii, and she does them there. She's been doing them for years, beautiful sandwriting photos there. I'm so glad that we met each other. I'll put a picture of she and I when I was in Hawaii last time. I used to do a lot of the photos in Hawaii. Okay, here is her little business card. Here it says Bonnytop, and it says designer headbands, Crystal Akita. Shop Bonnytop.com. Etsy, it's just called Bonnytop. Instagram, it's at Shop Bonnytop. Oh, Bonnie. Bonnytop. Not Bunny. That's kind of cute too, though. Bonnie, B-O-N-N-Y. I'll post it below. Okay, even with the glasses and contacts. Here's the box. Just a plain box. Okay, this is just so special. Here we are. Has my name on the envelope. Let's take this out. I have one in my cart that's from her, that's a Christmas one, and I'm going to get that for Christmas at Disneyland. Remember, age is just a number. Just have fun with it. How about some of those battery-operated lights in the Christmas one? That would be super fun. What is this, guys? Is this candy? Please tell me below. Okay, here's my name. Thank you very much. Let's open this. It says, thank you very much. These personal touches are so special. Dear Lisa, thank you for your order. I hope you have a wonderful time wherever you're going to wear the beautiful Ursula ears, and that you love them as much as I loved making them. Have a magical trip, Crystal. Lovely. Okay. Oh, man. There. Okay, here we are. Oh, wait. The batteries should last. What do I put? How to wear your ears securely. She gives you a lot of information. How to change the LED light batteries. To find your battery pack, I recommend looking at the underside of the headband. Okay, I didn't even know that. This is even more cool than I thought. Is it beautiful? Its packaging was impeccable and with such care. Okay, the colors. Look at this. I love this. You guys, I love this. Crystal, thank you. This means so much to me. Oh, man. You guys are going to see me wearing this when I get to Disneyland. All right, so let me show you the back. Yes, you could do it either way. Look at that. Here's the front. Here's the back. The headband is thick and it is soft inside. Do you know how some of them are really hard as a rock and very uncomfortable? This is amazing. And then she includes this little clip. And I already have these little crystal barrettes that she recommended getting. So I'm all set. I'm super excited. Support small businesses. Etsy is just an amazing place where you can find so many handmade items, and they are made with love and care. So I'll talk with you all soon. Tomorrow I will be making Janette's Italian cookies for Easter. So I'm going to do a little bit of recipe baking tutorial.